Today I will start exercise 2.2 of your class, of your book, and this is exercise 2.2, and in this we will do some more simplification of the here expressions here in this. That is, we will use the rules of, that is, there are many operations, you know, there are like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, brackets, etc. So if you have all these operations in one, then how will we do this here? And we have discussed, okay, I have discussed some topics in this before in the exercise 2.1, but here also you have more questions in exercise 2.2, and also there is an exercise 2.3. Okay, so here in this the brackets are not involved, but in the next topic we will also discuss how to solve the questions involving the brackets. Okay, but here you have the expressions in which we have the division, multiplication, addition and subtraction signs. So let us see how to solve exercise 2.2. Okay, this is your book, and exercise 2.2 you can see clearly. And now let us start. So question number 1, 12 divided by 3 plus 5 into 8 minus 9. Okay, so how will we do it? 12 divided by 3 will be equal to, first you will remember this, that here first we will do the operation of division, and then multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction here. So remember the flow of the operation. Okay, flow, that is first division, that is topmost is the division. First we will do the division operation. Okay, then after doing this you will move on to the product. Okay, and then move on to the addition, and then move on to the subtraction. Okay, so this is the flow of operations, flow of the operation. That is, in this direction you will, in this direction the operations will flow. That is division, multiplication, addition, and then subtraction. So remember this. And now 12 divided by 3, it will be equal to 4, and then you have plus 5 into 8 minus 9. So here I did this operation. Now we have here multiplication, so we will do multiplication. 4 plus 8 5 ja 40 here minus 9. Now you will do the addition. 40 plus 4 is 44 and minus 9. So answer is 35. Okay, so this is, you have to remember this flow of the operation. Next, question number, suppose here question number 5. Okay, question number 5, here you have 16 into 3 of 4 minus 24 and plus here 18 minus 9. So here you have also one more operation, that is off. So if you have any off operation, then first you will do operation that is off in this case, right here. So you have the off operation, then first it will be this, that is off, then division, then multiplication, and so on. So you have to add this also. So off operation. So here actually it is called the odd mass. Okay, odd mass here. So ODMAS. Okay, odd mass, that is off operation, then division operation, then multiplication and addition, and then subtraction. So remember this flow here. So now in this there is off operation here. So first we will solve this here. So 3 of 4 means 3 4 ja 12. So 16 into 12 here minus 24 plus 8 minus 9. Now multiply these two. Okay, so what is the product of these two? And 16 and 12, it is 168 minus 24 plus 18 minus 19. Okay, now you will do addition. So add these two numbers. So 168 plus 18 minus 24 minus 19, and here now subtract. So this is the answer. Okay, you can check the answer, and again I will check here. See here that 3 4 ja here 12. Okay, this is the question. I think here I have written the wrong question. Okay, here there is a division sign. Okay, so again see this question here. It is division, not minus. Okay, so it is not correct. I will do this again. Okay, in this question you have 16 into 3, 3 of 4 divided by 24 plus 18 minus 9. Okay, so here division. So first we will do this off operation. So 16 into 3 4 ja 12 and divided by 24 plus 18 minus 9. Okay, so this is the operation here. See off here first, then division. Now we will divide 12 and 24. So 16, when you divide this, then what will happen here? It will be 12 into 1 by 24 and plus here 18 minus 9. So it will be 12 2 ja 24 here. Okay, so you have 16 into 1 by 2 plus 18 minus 9. So it is 2 8 ja 16 here. So you have 8 plus 18 minus 9. Now here addition. So 18 plus 8 is here 26 minus 9. Now subtraction. Then you have here 17. So this is the answer of this question. Okay, in this way you will solve. First of operation, that is here 3 of 4, it is 12. Then division operation, 12 divided by 24, that is 12 into 1 by 24. So it will be here 1 and then here 2, that is 1 by 2. 16 into 1 by 2, then it is 8, and then 8 plus 18 is 26, and 26 minus 9 is 17. So this is the answer. And next question I will do number 6. Question number 6. 16 into 24 divided by 3 by 7. Okay, division 3 by 7 of 28. And plus 15. So now here first operation, this of operation, that is 16 into 24 divided by, now here 3 by 7 of this means 28 into 3. Okay, you will do 28 into 3, or you can also solve this in the rough. Okay, like 3 by 7 into 28. 7 4 is 28, so it will be actually 12. So here it will be 12. Okay, write 12 here and then plus 15. And next 16. And now here divide 24 by 12, because of operation is done, then divide. Now you have the division operation here. So 24 divided by 12 will be 2. Okay, remember. And here it will be then 2 and plus 15. So you have 32 plus 15 equal to 7 and 4. That is 47. Okay. So remember this, how to do this question. So next question number. So I will do question number 10. Okay, so I think question number 10 looks a little bit difficult. So I will solve the difficult questions so that you can solve the easier ones. But actually you should solve the hard questions. Okay, because you know that there is a proverb that smooth sea, smooth sea does not make a good sailor, the smooth sea. Does not make a good sailor. Remember this, okay? So that is why you should try to solve the harder one questions yourself, okay? So now here this question, okay? This question, and remember this. So now here I have done this question, no? Okay. So next question I will do, that is question number 10. Okay, so question number 10, 325 into 25 divided by 125 minus 169 and divided by 13. Okay, so this is the question. See, the question it is correct. 325 into 25 divided by 125 minus this. Now you will divide this number by this number. So first do the division operation. 325 into 25 into 1 by 125, okay, and minus again there is a division also. So here also you will operate the division. So when you divide this number by 13, you will get 13, okay. And next, now cut it here. 25 1 ja 25 and 25 5 ja 125. So you have 325 into 1 by 5 minus 13. Then you have, now cut it again. 5 6 ja 30 and then 5 5 ja 25. So this 65 minus 13 equal to 2 and then 5. Okay. So answer is 52. So this is the answer of this question number 10. Okay. So now there are many questions which I did not solve. Okay. And I did not solve the question number 2, 3 and 4 also. I did question number 5, then 6 and also 10. So you will solve the questions which I did not solve. Okay, that is your homework. And remember this also, that smooth sea does not make a good sailor. Means smooth sea, you know, smooth sea means that if the sea is not smooth, if the sea is smooth, okay, smooth means that there is no waves, then it will not make a good sailor. Means that if you don't face the difficulty, okay, then you will not become expert in that particular topic or subject or work. Okay, so here in mathematics also you must try to solve the harder ones, okay, so that you will be very good in mathematics. So the next question is now I will start the question exercise 2.3. And in this exercise, okay, the next exercise is 2.3, and in this exercise again we will extend the operations here. Okay, here we will also include the brackets. Okay, we have the operations like off operation, then division, multiplication, then addition, subtraction, and here also we will include the brackets. Okay, so first we will see how many types of brackets are there. So here the flow of operation, okay, that is the flow of operation. Like this, in this you have the bracket, okay, that is bracket first, and then operation, that is O means here off, then here you have the division operation, then next is the multiplication, then next is addition, and then you have the subtraction. Okay, so this is the bracket. First we will solve the brackets first, and then after solving this we will solve the off, if there is any off, and then after doing this operation we will move on to this division operation, and then after finishing this operation we will do the multiplication operation, and after finishing this we will do the addition, and then at the end or in the end we will operate the subtraction. So, and this is called, so in short here, the BODMAS. Okay, this rule here, and in this you have the brackets. Okay, there are three types of brackets here. Brackets are there like this bracket. Okay, this is called the square bracket. Okay, this is called the square bracket. Square bracket here, and next is, this is called the curly bracket. Okay, curly bracket here, and next is here. Okay, you have the curly brackets, and also you have the parenthesis. Okay, like this. Parenthesis. Okay, curly bracket, the square bracket, curly bracket, parenthesis. These are the brackets, and there is one more bracket. Okay, there is one more bracket, and that is the, you can say, bar. Okay, this bar here. Like suppose I will give you the example. For example, suppose you have this 3 minus, okay, 3 minus 2, and here suppose here 5, and minus suppose here 2. Okay, and there is a bar here. Okay, so write this. So 3 minus and minus 5 minus 2 means that when we write this bar over this, okay, see here, observe the bar. Okay, this line is over 5 minus 2. It means that actually here this 5 and 2 are, you can think of this like this, that is minus 2 like this. Okay, you can imagine this. Okay, because we have three brackets here. Okay, we have this square, then curly, then this bracket. When these three brackets are used up in any expression, then we use this fourth bracket. Okay, that is just the type of bracket. Okay, here this expression can also be written like this: 3 minus 5 minus 2. Okay, like this. This is also correct, no problem. But in this book you are given this bar here. Okay, so you will think of this as this, that is, these two numbers are within the bracket, and when you open the bracket, or first here you will solve this bracket first. So 5 minus 2 will be 3 here, so 3 minus 3, then you will have 3 minus 3, 0. Okay, so here, so in this first you will simplify the innermost brackets. Okay, let us see. First take up some examples, then you will understand better. So remember this, that BODMAS rule is there, then the types of brackets like square, curly, parenthesis, and then this bar. Okay, now exercise 2.3. Question number 1. You have here 80 minus 24 minus, then curly bracket, 16 divided by 9 minus 1, and curly bracket, and then this here. Okay, so now here you have this. Now see that this is the this square bracket is the outermost bracket. Okay, and here the innermost bracket is this parenthesis, right? So first we will solve this innermost bracket. Okay, first we will solve the innermost bracket. So 9 minus 1 is here 8. So write again the next step here: 80 minus 24 minus 16 divided by 9 minus 1 will be 8 here, and then there is no need of the bracket because we have only one number, so remove the bracket. This bracket is finished. Then next put this curly bracket, and then now you have this innermost bracket, this curly bracket. Now we will simplify this bracket. So here it will be 2. Now solve this 2. 24 minus 2 will be 22, and then subtract these two numbers, so it will be 58. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, so this is the answer. Now next question, question number 2 is a similar question, so I will not do this. Question number 3, then you have question number 4 also. So I will solve question number 4. Okay, so take up question number 4. Question number 4 is here, that is 888 into, okay, multiplied by 72, then divided by 65, and plus 14 divided by 2, and then curly bracket, and then square bracket. Okay, so this is the question here. Okay, this is the bracket. So 888 multiplied by, then this you have the start of the square bracket here. So all these terms are within the square bracket, and the innermost bracket is here. The innermost bracket is this. Okay, 14 divided by 2. So first you will solve 14 divided by 2, and that will be 7. So solve it. That will be 888 into 72 divided by 65 plus it will be here 2 7 ja 14, that is 7 here, and then this. Now add these two numbers, addition. Now here you will say that according to rule we will have to divide first, but it is not here. Okay, but because this is the innermost bracket, so first we will solve the bracket. Okay, so here this is within the bracket. Okay, so within the bracket, so first we will solve this bracket. Okay, so it may be plus or it may be minus, but the bracket is there also. So first we will solve the operation of bracket. So first solve this, it is addition, so we will add number 888 into 72 divided by, it will be 72 here. Okay, then next 888 into, now 72 divided by 72 is 1, so it is 1 here. So answer is 888 is the answer. Okay, so in this way you can find the answer of these questions. So question number 4 is done. Then I will do question number 7. Okay, so let us see how to do 7. Question number 7, 19 multiplied by 96 into 96 plus 30 minus 11 minus 11 plus here 5 minus 2 bar, and there, and then you have the square bracket. Okay, so this is the question. Now see here that we have a bar. Okay, that is, there is a bar over the 5 minus 2. So I explained you that bar means actually 5 and 2 are within the bracket. Okay, so first you will solve 5 minus 2, and you know 5 minus 2 is what? 3. So write 3. 19 into 96 plus 30 minus 11 plus 3, like this. Now add 11 and 3, because the operation of bracket, 96 plus 30 yes. Okay, then 11 plus 3 will be 14, and then this. Now here in this, within this bracket here we will first add. So 19 into this and this 6, so this here. Now multiply these two numbers. So what is the answer of these two when you multiply? So this is the answer of this question here. This is the multiplication of 19 and 112. Okay. So here I have multiplied 19 with 100, 19 with 10, 19 with 2. Okay. So 1900, 190 and 38. So then adding all these numbers, you will get this answer 8. Yes. So this is the answer of this question. And now question number I will solve question number 9. Okay. Let us see question number 9. Question number 9 is here 24 plus 13 minus 5 into 1 by 2 of 10 minus 45 divided by 17 minus 2. Okay, this is the question. So in this question, now remember that the flow of operation, okay, flow of operation, BODMAS, okay, so bracket, then of, then division. But here in this we don't have any brackets, so we will see the next operation, that is the of operation. So here of operation is there, so first we will solve this. Okay, so half of 10 will be 5, so we will write 5 there. So 24 plus 13 minus 5 into half of 10 will be 5, then minus 45 divided by, and there is a bracket also here, so we will also do the bracket. Okay, so here of operation is there, and then here also we can do this 45 minus 45 divided by 17 minus 2 is what? 15 here. So 15. So next is here now we will do the division operation here. Okay, so 24 plus 13 minus 5 into 5 minus 15 3 is 45, so it will be 3. Now we will do the multiplication. So 24 plus 13 minus 25 minus 3. Now addition, so you will have this plus this will be equal to 37. 37 minus 25 minus 3. So 37 minus 25 will be 12 minus 3 equal to 9 is the answer. Okay, so the answer of this question is 9. So next is question number the question number 11 and 12. Okay, 11 and 12 I will do. 11, it is 9 plus 12 bracket, then you have division, then 7 plus 36, then divided by here 2 of 3. This is the question here, and the question number 12 is 16 plus bracket 7 plus again bracket, and then again you have bracket here 3 plus 7, and then bracket minus 5 minus 3, and this, okay, 5 minus 3 bar, and then you have this, and then curly bracket. So these are the two questions. Now first solve this question number 11. Okay, so in this now again recall your flow of operation, that is BODMAS rule. So first we will do the bracket operation. So here we have the bracket, so 9 plus 12 will be what? 21, and divided by 7 plus 36 divided by 2 of 3. Now bracket is finished here. Then of operation, okay, BO. So of here, that is 2 of 3 means it will be 6. So you have 21 divided by 7 plus 36 divided by 6 here. Now operation of division, then 21 divided by 7 would be 3, and this by this will be 6 here. So you have 9 is the answer. Okay, so now the question number 12. So in this question number 12, again here write 16 plus. Now see here that in this question you have 16 plus bracket and then 7 plus again bracket. I think here in this question this bracket is not correct in this. Something is wrong in this question, okay, that 7 plus is there, then you have this bracket and then this bracket. So here, yes, something is wrong, that this is the curly bracket here, so here also you have the curly bracket, okay, or I think here it should be square bracket and here also it should be the square bracket, but in the book it is something wrong, okay. Here you will see in the book that at this place there is the curly bracket, but it should not be curly bracket, it should be the square bracket, because the brackets always occur in pairs, okay. So if you have this opening bracket, then there must be the closing bracket also. So here also see that this is the opening bracket, then this is the closing bracket here, and here see also that this is the opening and then closing here. So you always have the opening and the closing brackets, okay. So do you understand this? So remember this here, okay. Now let us do again. Now here in this bracket, see that innermost bracket, okay, see the innermost, okay. So innermost is here this 5 minus 3. So again I told you that 5 minus 3 means that you can think of this 5 minus 3 bar as 5 minus 3 bracket, okay. So they are in the bracket, so they are within the bracket. So 5 minus 3 will be equal to 2. So here in this place you will write, in this place you will write 2, okay. So write 16 plus and 16 plus, it is 7 here, 7 plus, then you have the bracket, and then here you have 3 plus 7 and minus, it will be here 2 and this curly bracket and then this. Now next 16 plus 7 plus, now solve this, 3 plus 7, that is 10. So 10 minus 2 and then this. Then you have next 16 plus 7 plus 10 plus 2 is 8, then write 8 here. Next 16 plus 8 plus 7 is 15. So write 15, then add these two numbers, it will be 31. So this is the answer of this question. So now this is the end of this chapter, okay. This is the last exercise of this chapter 2, and I did here many questions. So the questions which I have solved here, okay, you will practice all those questions. And next is that here I have left many questions in this exercise 2.2 and 2.3. So the exercises the questions which I have not solved, those questions are your homework, okay. Remember this. So I have been repeating this in many classes, okay. Remember this. The questions which I am not solving here in the class, all those questions are the homework for you, and you must do all these homework in your copy properly and in a clean and neat manner, okay. I will check all those copies when the schools open, right. So keep remember all these topics, and then now I will finish this, okay. So in the next class I will start this next lesson, that is HCF and LCM, okay. So now thank you for watching, okay.